Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Chucky. Yeah, I know, right? This creepy doll. But hopefully I'm not going to make it too creepy, but a little bit cute to celebrate Halloween. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this creepy doll, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come around nice and wide, so about right here. And connect at the bottom with a curve. So I'm going to come towards the center, and I'll try to give it a little bit of chin towards the center. Just come down a little bit and come back up and connect. There, just giving a little bit of a chin. And then from there, let's come back to the edge right here and draw a circle for the eyes where we started. Draw these huge, draw so cute, creepy eyes. And same thing over here. So if you ever thought my draw so cute eyes were creepy, now you're right. Okay, so now we have two circles in, and then we're going to draw two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, and now that we have the eyes in, let's draw the mouth. So right in between, like about right here, I'm going to draw a deep curve and go up right here, and then on the sides right here we're going to cap it off with a curve on both sides. There, not so creepy yet, right? Still pretty cute. So then let's bring this up, and we're going to draw the face and the hair. So I won't make it creepy yet. Let's just finish everything else, and then we'll see, right? So let's bring this up, imagining a curve, an oval, and about right here towards the side. I'll stop, and I'm going to draw his hair. So let's bring this curve down towards the eye, about right there, and I'm going to zigzag back and forth for some strands and bring it down. So whatever space you have left, just finish it off. Then from there, let's imagine this as a curve coming up where the hair splits. So about right there. And this side's going to come down, and this side is going to go up. So let's bring this down, and I'll just give it some strands as well. And down. And this side, we can come up here and just give it one little strand. And same thing, bring it down. Another strand, and down. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. We're going to come to the center right underneath this chin, and I'll just draw a curve for neckline. Come about right here. We're going to draw a curve and a curve right there for the shoulders. Then I'll imagine maybe like the armpit area be about right here. And here, I'll just give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to draw 2 angle lines down for the overalls that he's going to be wearing. And about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a soft curve. Then let's come up right here, and we're just going to add 2 angles right here for the straps. Right there. And let's bring this down. Okay, so let's say, come about right here, draw a button, and in between we're going to draw that pocket. It says good guys. I'll just leave mine blank, make it easier because it'd be too hard for me to write good guys in there. Maybe I can put a heart, right? And then right here we're just going to draw a curve right across. So then about, let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to give myself an angle line. And this is where the pants are going to start, the legs. So let's come out with 2 angles. Then let's bring this down. Let's work on this side first. I'll wobble a little bit towards the bottom. About right there, I'm going to cut it off because there's a cuff right here. So I'll pop this out, and connect right there. So same thing over here. Wobble a little bit towards the end and connect just like the other side, and pop it out. There. And then the shoes, so nice and simple. Just bring down a curve, and right here we're going to curve out and connect. And for some details, come down right here for the sole, and we're going to draw a curve right here that comes down, so it's a little bit straighter right here and up. So same thing here. Down with a curve, and then on this side you're going to curve it out, round it off, and connect. And once again, same thing. There. Okay, so then that's done. Let's draw his arms. So I'm just having them to the side, so let's bring this down, and his sleeves are a little bit poofy. So I want to end his hands about right here. So I'll just poof this out a little bit, bring it in, and curve out. And right here, a little cuff. And once again, let's go ahead and draw his thumb, round it off, and just curve back for his fingers. So same thing over here. We just want to end about the same spot. So about right here. Do a little poof out about right there and connect. And once again, the cuff and the fingers. Thumb, round it off, and back up. There. Okay, so it's still really cute, right? We can add a line right here as well for some details. And let's see. Let's put a heart right here, right? Why not? It is a Draw So Cute Chucky. And then from there, let's bring his hair down. So towards the bottom right here, I'm just going to zigzag back and forth. And then same thing here. Maybe we'll flare this part out a little bit. And in just to break it up. Okay, so now we are done, and now we need to make him the real Chucky, right? So let's start about right here towards the center right here. I'm going to draw a curve right over his eye, and we're going to flare it out and make him look mean. And then from here, same thing as well. Go right over his eye. Maybe this one will come down, change it up a little bit. Oh no, he's starting to be mean. And then right in the center right here, just lightly draw a curve. And I'll give him a little nose right here in the center. So I'll draw a curve going the other way. And maybe another curve lightly under his mouth. And then right here in the chin area, give him that little dimple. And then his eyes right here. Curve right here, and his brow. So right in this space, I'm just going to put this brow, so curve up and thicken it up, and same thing about right here. So whatever space you have in there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Chucky here turned out. I didn't give him any scars because I think the original is just way creepier. So I really hope you love how this turned out and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.